Hello and welcome to Two Hopes Garage. Thanks very much for joining us. Quick video today. It's just replacing the wiper blade refills on the Volvo XC60. So without any further ado, let's get the wipers into the maintenance position. Cheers! First things first, we'll get the ignition switched on. We don't have to press the brake pedal this time round. Turn that to start. So we've got a car is active, ignition is on message. We'll come over to our display. So swipe the screen off to the left and you'll see a wiper service position. Give that a podge. Wipers immediately come up into the service position and we'll go out and get them sorted. You don't need to, but I generally switch the ignition back off at this point. Now that we've got the wipers up into service position, what we're looking to do is access these catches on the wiper arms. So, firstly, let's get the wiper arms up and away from the windscreen. Yeah, so just get this button depressed and then slide the entire blade assembly away. If you're at all worried about the wiper arm coming down and damaging the glass, what you can do is put something down, I don't know, a bit of shop towel or something, pop the arm against it and it'll just keep it away from the glass. So there's our wiper blade off the car. You'll see there's an end cap here, an end cap there, either end, funnily enough. What we're looking at doing is finding the one that says Volvo on it, flipping it over. So you'll see by the catch, there's a wee arrow there. Move the catch in the direction of the arrow. So we'll just pop it across with a wee screwdriver, like so. You should hear a positive click. Slide it out once you've got that positive click. And that's your old wiper rubber out. Right, we've got a nice new Volvo wiper rubber. It comes complete with the end cap attached to it. What we're looking at doing is, if we see this cross section of the wiper here, this portion here at the base slides into this channel on the wiper blade. Yeah, just slide it in as easy as you like. Once it's within the channel, that'll just pull straight in. There we are. Then what we're looking to do is slide that end cap into position and you should see that catch, if we can get it to focus, you should see that catch move across back towards the centre of the blade there, and you'll hear it click into position. There we go. And that is the wiper blade, or the wiper refill installed, as easy as. Yeah, what I'm going to do now, you can see there's two electrical connectors there, and you've got where the pipe for the water jets locates into. As you can see, this is absolutely filthy. So I'm just going to go and get an old cotton bud and give that a bit of a clean. So we're not looking at doing anything too fancy here. All we're looking to do is pop the cotton bud in around the port for the washer pipe, and you can see how much stuff is coming out of that. You don't need to do this step, however it only takes 2 minutes, and yeah, it just prevents this getting blocked up. And give the wee clip at the side a bit of a clean as well. You see that's a whole lot better now than it was. So that's us ready to put this back on again. It just simply slides straight back into position. You're looking for this to engage positively into its receptacle, and also these clips either side, you'll see these locate onto a couple of wee lugs on the wiper arm. Look for them to engage the lugs as well, but I'll show you them on the car. So this here is where the water's travelling through, and these two ports here are your electrical contacts, and you'll see just at the side of those ports two little round lugs. That's where you're looking for your clips to engage in, as well as the hole. So let's pop this on. So it just slides straight down into position like so. There's this engaged. So there we've got nice positive engagement with the button. Coming around here, you can see where the clip has engaged with the lugs. What you might want to do if it doesn't engage initially when you shove it down, I just used a small screwdriver to assist it into position. So now we've got this one done, we'll pop it down gently and we'll get the other one changed. And the process is exactly the same. Next up, we're back in the car. If you've left the ignition on, no need to put the ignition on. If, like me, you've not left the ignition on, put it back on again. Don't press the brake pedal because that will start the engine if you do this. There we are, ignition is on. Slide over onto your screen here, wiper service position, touch that, and the wipers come back down. And that's you, job done, nice and easy. That's it, wiper refills changed. I don't know how much a dealer charges for that. I do know it's more than it would cost for you to do it yourself. Take a minute or two extra just to get those washer ports cleaned out of all the gunk that's in there, and make sure those little lugs engage with the catches. It only takes a minute extra and it's worth doing. So thanks for joining us. If you've enjoyed it, press like. If you want to see some more of this sort of content, press subscribe. I'd be thrilled. I'm the smallest automotive channel on YouTube, I think. So thanks again. Cheers. Take care. Bye.